Welcome to the channel, and in this video we will see how we can download and install latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So the first thing that we do is we will open up any browser that is installed in our computer. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up, and once we open up the browser, we will go to the URL bar and we will enter google.com, and we will open up Google, and here we will search for VS Code. And if you look at the search results, then the first result is from code.visualstudio.com, which is the official website. We will click on this link and we will open up the website. Now here straight away we can see the option to download for Windows. This website auto detects the operating system and it displays the appropriate options for downloading. If you want more details, then you guys can click on the down arrow here and you will see the installer for different operating systems, or you can click on this other downloads, which will give more options to you. Here I'm going to download for Windows. I'm going to go with the user installer. System installer will install the Visual Studio Code for all the users which are present in the computer. User installer is for one particular user who is installing. We will go with the user installer and x64, which is for 64-bit operating system. If you have a 32-bit operating system, then you guys can go with x86, or if you have ARM processor, ARM64. Here I have 64-bit, so I'm gonna go with x64, and once I click on that, it will take us to download page and the download will begin automatically. If it doesn't start automatically, then you guys can click on this direct download link and the download will start. So now we just have to wait for this download to finish. Okay, now the download is complete. If I go to this downloaded file, then I can see a folder icon, which will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved. Normally in the downloads folder, I'm going to click on that icon and it will open up this particular folder. And here you guys can see the file. This version number, which is at the end, may be different depending on when you're watching this video. And to install Visual Studio Code, we just have to double click on this file. Now here, first we will accept the license agreement and then we will click on next. And we will now kind of change anything in here, which is the installation location. Here you guys can see, since we have gone for user installer, it will install Visual Studio Code in the user directory, app data folder for the user. And after that, we will click on next. We will not change anything in here. We will click on next, and here I do want a desktop icon, so I'm going to check this checkbox, and then I want the open with code option whenever we right click on a file and a folder. So I will check these two options in here. So basically we will check everything and then we will click on next and we will click on install. It will install VS Code. We just have to wait. Okay, now the installation is complete. Now we will keep this launch Visual Studio Code checkbox checked, and then we will click on finish, which will open up Visual Studio Code automatically for us. Once I click on the finish button, Visual Studio Code is launched. I will make it full screen. Now here, we can get started and we can work with the VS Code. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.